In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can download YouTube TV on Xbox and how to set it up for streaming. The good news is that while there isn't a dedicated YouTube TV app for Xbox consoles, you can still access the service using alternative methods. The easiest way is to use the YouTube app already available on the Xbox Store. Download and install the YouTube app on your Xbox console. Once installed, open the app and log in to your Google account. From there, visit tv.youtube.com in the app's built-in browser or search bar and sign in to your YouTube TV account. This allows you to stream live TV and on-demand content directly on your Xbox. Another option is to use a streaming device like a Chromecast or Roku connected to your Xbox via HDMI if your console supports it. Alternatively, you can cast YouTube TV from your phone or computer to your Xbox using devices like a Chromecast. While the process isn't as direct as on other platforms, these methods make it possible to enjoy YouTube TV on your Xbox, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to access YouTube TV on Xbox, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.